The Reptile Farm Inc. is a company fully committed to the quality of the products we provide. We're always in the continuous monitoring of our biosecurity protocol programs during the reproduction and incubation of the reptiles we produce. Because of the importance of hygienic sterilization and cleaning procedures, the Reptile Farm Inc. uses standardized and certified processes to execute animal sanitation and biosecurity programs specific to the reptile field. The different product concentrations are controlled daily for each task and area in order to guarantee that they meet the standards indicated by the distributors and are not toxic or harmful to the animals, thereby guaranteeing its effectiveness. We have special biosecurity considerations for our reptile breeders and distributors. The Reptile Farm Inc. has implemented a biosecurity system that takes into account different controls to properly manage the company. The production areas are separated and delimited in such a way that there is an independent process flow for each production line, which allows an organized, systematic, and efficient work both in terms of hygienic sterilization and cleaning, which results into high-performance standards. We count with the strict biosecurity protocols for both staff, visitors, and vehicles in order to establish the primary protection barrier, preventing the entering of external pathogens to the farm. The staff has been provided with number uniforms, assigned one for each day, in such a way that the clothing items are not used in subsequent days. Thereby, they are always clean and in good sanitary conditions to work. We have sanitary arcs at the main farm entrance and in the different accesses to the productive areas, allowing a more hygienic management of the work. The company has different hand washing stations, depending on the task and the area of operation. It also has specific work sites for the disinfection of utensils, habitats, and the equipment required in the reptile production. In relation to the egg incubation, we have a strict egg washing protocol to remove the organic matter and elements that can affect the eggs before being placed in the sterilized vermiculite. The collection protocols in independent trays are other elements that are monitored in relation to the egg handling and manipulation. Our biosecurity processes are periodically monitored under strict quality controls in order to maintain a high standard and to prevent the human factor from becoming a risk element in production in terms of cross-contamination, both as a vector agent and as a receptor. Our staff is fully committed to the integral biosafety at the company. For this reason, we have continuous training programs to guarantee mastering the skills required for this type of facility. Biosafety is not an isolated task assigned to a single function or person within the company. It is the integral sum of all the efforts in the different areas of the organization that allows the achievement of the company goals in terms of biosafety. The planning, execution, control, and monitoring of the different programs are a core concern. There is a trained team of 6 biologists and a full-time veterinarian to manage the operational and productive tasks performance with the aim to offering reptiles with the best possible quality to our clients. We are a farm committed to the welfare of the animals that we breed. Therefore, we have an accredited water treatment plant that uses ozone filters, ultraviolet light, and reverse osmosis to ensure proper consumption by our animals for the egg treatments, lab, as well as for the consumption of our staff. The use of this plant allows us to have a controlled quality water within the facilities, complying with all the required microbiological and physicochemical regulations. One of the most important production areas is our incubator. As the heart of our farm, it receives specialized treatment to ensure permanent aseptic conditions. Different measurements, such as controlling the passage of personnel, having specific sanitation programs, changes of uniforms to enter the incubator facilities, monitoring temperature, humidity, and air quality are taken to guarantee the proper internal environment for the successful egg incubation of the species we produce. We have internal laboratories that monitor the veterinary welfare of the bearded dragons. These have a microbiological and parasitological monitoring daily work, and the procedures allows us to have management parameters in production, which is of crucial importance since it allows us to carry out operational corrections and specific procedures related to the farm production. We produce analyte, which requires the electrolysis process of this organic disinfectant. Another important control factor is pests. To manage this element, the Reptile Farm Inc. outsources specialized companies that conduct pest control activities within the farm facilities. This allows for clean, pest-free production environments. Continuous monitoring concerning this topic is essential. Keeping the programs up to date requires periodic meetings with designated teams from outsourced companies and in-company personnel. This is what we do. We are the Reptile Farm.